Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine, fit and safe at your homes. Welcome back in your maths class 5th, subject mathematics, chapter 1, numbers and numeration, and this is our revision lecture 1. Today's subtopics are natural numbers, whole numbers, Indian place value chart, international place value chart, find the place value of the given numbers, expanded and short form, ascending and descending order, successor and predecessor, comparing the numbers and practice sums. But these all the topics are given in exercise 1A, which we will cover today. So you have to listen very carefully. Let's start with natural numbers. Counting numbers are called natural numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. These all are natural numbers. And what are the whole numbers? When we add 0 to the set of counting numbers, we get the whole numbers. When 0 is added, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on, these are called whole numbers. So natural numbers, counting numbers, when 0 is added to the natural numbers, these are called whole numbers, right? Now we will revise Indian and international place value chart. The place value chart which is used in India is Indian place value chart, and international place value chart is used in the other countries in the world. Indian place value chart contains the periods ones, thousands, lakhs and crores. And places are ones, tens, hundred in ones period, thousands, 10,000s in thousand period, lakhs, 10 lakhs in lakhs period, crores, 10 crores in crores period. Right? And international place value chart, it contains ones, thousands and millions periods. After millions there is billions. Right? And now places in ones periods are ones, tens and hundreds. Places in thousands periods, thousands, 10,000s and 100,000s. Places in millions period, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. And after that billions. Places in billions periods are billions, 10 billions, 100 billions. Right? These are the questions based on the place value chart. This is our first question. Write the number name according to Indian place value system. We have to write down the number name for this given numeral. So first of all we will write down the numeral, whatever is given, and then we will write down the places above this. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. See, now below lakh there is 1, below 1000, 3, it's 10,000. So below lakh 1, 10,000 there is 3, below 1000 there is 4, below 100 there is 5, below tens there is 2 and below ones there is 9. Now read this number. 1,34,529. Next question. Write the number name according to international system. Now international system place value chart you have done. So write down the places first. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. Digits we will write down whatever are given. This is a numeral. So we will write down this numeral here. Now the number has become 450,987,005. So what is this? 450,987,005. Right? Now next is place value. The place value of a digit in a number is determined by its position. Position will tell the place value of the digit. So thus find the place value of each digit in this given numeral. This numeral is 25,67,043. So we have to write down the place value of each digit. First of all, see this first digit 3. Place value of 3 is 3 ones, that is 3 only. Place value of 4 is 4 tens, that is 40. Place value of 0 is 0. So if you want, you can write down here, otherwise you can leave also. Place value of 7. 7 is at 1000 place, so it is 7 into 1000, that is 7000. You can write down in words also 7000. Spelling of 1000 you will write down. Place value of 6. 6 10,000, that is 60,000. Place value of 5 is 5 lakh. So you can write down 5 lakh in this way or in this way, or you can write down 5 multiply lakh. That is also correct. Place value of 2, 210 lakh, that is 20 lakh. So in this way you can write down the place value of each digit. Sometimes it will happen that it will be asked in the question, find the place value of 5 in the given number. At that time you have to write down the place value of 5 only, not of all. Next question is, find the place value of each digit in 2385. So 2385 we will write down 5 at ones place. 5 is at ones place, so its value is, place value is 5 only. 8 is at tens place, 8 into 10, that is 80 only. 3 is at hundreds place, 3 into 100, so place value of 3 is 300. And place value of 2, 2 into 1000, that is 2000. Understood? Expanded form and short form. Expand means to open, to write down the digits with the place value, and short form is also known as standard form. If each digit of a number is written with its place value, we get the expanded form of the number. Understood? The number written in its original form is known as short form. We can say original form or standard form or short form. All these are giving the same meaning. See this question, write in expanded form 2305. So there are 3 ways to expand. It's your wish. You can write down in any way, in any method. So first method is 2000 plus 300 plus 5 ones, or 2 into 1000 plus 3 into 100 plus 0 into 10, or you can write down 0 or you can leave it also, plus 5 into 1, or 2000 plus 300 plus 5. So whatever is easy for you, you can adopt that method. You can take that method for writing the expanded form. Next question is, write in the short form. Now this number is given, we have to write down it in the short form. Say this number. What is this number? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. 6 crore plus ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. 6 crore plus 40 lakh plus ones, tens, 100, 1000 plus 5000 plus 4. We have to write down in the short form. Either you can write down the places and below this you can write down the digits, or you can do addition in the rough column. After doing addition you will get the standard form, that is right. Now look here, one more example. Standard form is given 7294 and expanded form is 7000 plus 200 plus 90 plus 4. In expanded form, we write the number by showing the value of each digit. This is the short form and this is expanded form. Our next topic is successor and predecessor. Successor, एक नंबर आगे, predecessor एक नंबर एक पीछे, one number back. So to find the successor of a number, add 1 to it, and to find the predecessor of a number, subtract 1 from it. So if the number is given 3455, predecessor is 1 less than this, that is 3454, and predecessor of the number, add 1 to it, 3456. Next is the second number, 1,23,009. Predecessor will be 1,23,008 and successor will be 1,23,010. If you have any doubt in these types of questions where 9 is there, better you do addition of 1 in rough column. Okay, don't write here 1, 2, 3, 0, 0, then 10. No, it will be wrong. When you are adding 1 to it, this 0 will become 1. Okay, 9 plus 1, 0, and 0. 9 plus 1, 10, 0, 1 will become its carry. So, the number will become 1,23,010. Now, our next question is compare. In compare, we have to tell the number out of these two, which one is smaller, or we can say which one is greater. Compare can also be written as in the form like find the greater number, find the smaller number from the given pair. Understood? So these two numerals are given to us. Okay. First of all, we will write down the places. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Now we have written our first numeral. This first numeral is 2 crore 45 lakh 62,004. Then we have written the second numeral, that is 2 crore 68 lakh 79,906. Now we have to tell that which one is greater, or we can say which one is smaller. So see this crore place. At crore place 2 is equal to 2 and same. So we will go to the next digit, that is 10 lakh place. At 10 lakh place 4 is less than 6. 4 is less than 6, then definitely this numeral is less than the second numeral. So we will write down here. So 2 crore 45 lakh 62,004 is less than 2 crore 68 lakh 79,906. Right? One more part is there, B part for comparison. 3,498. So places ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. 3,498. Then second numeral we will write down 13,498. Now see thousands place. 0 is less than 1. 0 is less than 1. So 3,498 is less than 13,498, or 13,498 is greater than 3,498. Okay. Now let's move to our next topic, ascending order and descending order. Beta, these all the topics are very easy and you are doing from class first. Many topics are there which you have started in class first. Okay. And now also we are doing. So it should be clear in your mind that what is the meaning of the given word. Like if it is asked successor, you should know it means we have to add 1 to the given number. If it is ascending order, it should be clear in your mind ascending order means increasing order. Okay. So keep the things in your mind in place of learning this. Ascending and descending order. Ascending order means increasing order, बढ़ते क्रम में लिखना, and descending order means decreasing order, घटते क्रम में लिखना, घटना, कम होना. Okay, ascending order. 213. Then next is after 213 there is 230, then 245, 277 and 291. It is increasing order. Numbers बढ़ रहे हैं. Small. Then next number is bigger than 213. Next is bigger than 230. Next is bigger than 245. Next is bigger than 277. So it is increasing order. एंड डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर मीन्स डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर. 291 से छोटा होगा 277, नेक्स्ट विल बी 245, नेक्स्ट 230 and last will be 213. Understood? Next question is arrange in ascending order and descending order. 1,55,85,732. This is our first numeral. 1,55,58,732. Then 1,55,58,237. 1,58,55,732. We have to arrange in ascending as well as descending order. So ascending order is increasing order, smaller to bigger. So first of all, see at crores place 1 is there. So we will come to the next 55 lakh, 55 lakh, 55 lakh, 58 lakh. This is the biggest. तो ये सबसे लास्ट में आ जाएगा. Now we will compare these three. 85,000, 58,000, 58,000. This will be the last second. Now compare these two. 58,000, 58,000. Same. 732, 237. This is the smallest. So this will become first numeral. 1,55,58,237. Then 1,55,58,732. Then 1,55,85,732. And then 1,58,55,732. Understood? In this way you have to first compare and then you will write down in ascending order. Now descending order means decreasing order. घटते क्रम में decrease. So it will be reverse. This number will become first, second, then this will come at third place and this last will come at fourth place. First number will become last, right? Next question is write the numerals. It is also based on place value chart. Some student ask, ma'am, Indian place value chart में लिखना है या international में? Beta, it's clear from the question only. 8 crore, 75 crore means definitely it is Indian place value charts according to Indian place value system, right? So first part, 8 crore 13 lakh 40,000 12. So write down the places first. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. 8 crore. Below crore you will write down 8. 13 lakh. 1, 3, 13. Below this. Then 40,000. 40, 40. Below this 10,000 and 1,000. And 12. 12, that is 2 at 1's place and 1 at 10's place. At 100's place there will be 0. And 1,000 place also. We have 40,000, definitely 0 is coming according to the given question. Right? Second part, 75 crore 5,009. 75 crore. So below this 10 crore there will be 7 and below crore 5 will be there. 5,000. So there is no digit at lakhs and 10 lakhs and 10,000. So we will put down 0 here. 5,000. Below 1,000 there will be 5 and 9. 9 will be at 1's place. Tens and hundreds will be, 100 place will become 0. Do very very carefully. If you don't write down these places, then definitely most of the students will leave these zeros also. भूल जाते हैं वो zero put करने. So when the question is there, write the numerals, write the place value, write the period. Make a habit of writing the places first. Next question is write the number name according to international place value system. It is given in the question. We have to use international place value chart. So 2 parts are there. Before starting the parts, we have to write down the places. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million and billions. So first number we will write down. Write very very carefully. 1 digit below 1 place. Okay. Now read this number. It is 23,08,765. Understood? Now write down the second numeral here carefully. 3, then 0, 0, 5, 0, 8, 9, 0, 0, 1. Now look here. 1 is at billions place. So 1 billion, 9 million, 805,003. Understood? Next question is, write the greatest possible number using digits 1, 0, 4, 9, 3 and 7. We have to use these digits and we have to write down the greatest possible number. Each digit will be used once only, right? So given digits 1, 0, 4, 9, 3 and 7. Beta, when you write down the digit, there will be commas. But when you make a number, then no commas will be there. Most of the students, what they do, they prepare the number correctly, but they put commas. जब आप commas लगा देते हैं तब ये number नहीं लगा, फिर digits हो जाएंगे separate. Then it will be wrong. Okay. So greatest possible number using digits. Greatest, bigger number बनाना है. तो first of all we will search the bigger digit 9. Then next is 7. Then next 4. Then 3. Then 1. And at last there will be 0. So greatest possible number we have written here. 9,74,310. Next question is, find the smallest possible number using digits 3, 9, 0, 4, 7, 8. Each digit will be used once only. So we will write down the given digits 3, 9, 0, 4, 7, 8 with commas. Smallest possible number, smallest, छोटा बनाना है तो सबसे पहले सबसे छोटा सर्च करेंगे हम, that is 0. अगर 0 को हम सबसे पहले लिख देते हैं, then it means we are not using all the digits. Then definitely our answer will be wrong. So we will not take 0 first, we will take the next smallest, that is 3. Write down 3, then 0, then 4, then 7, then 8 and at last 9, क्योंकि सबसे बड़ा 9 है, right? So the smallest possible number is 3,04,789. But now we have covered all the types of exercise 1A. You have to open your book and you have to do at least two parts from each question. Whether the exercise is big or exercise is small, you are preparing now for exams. So it is your duty to do written practice also. Okay? Only listening of the lecture will not help. सुनने के बाद आपको लिख के practice भी करनी है. Now it's time to take homework. Your homework is do questions 1 A and B parts, 2 A and B parts, 3 A and B parts, 4 A and B parts and 5 A and B parts of exercise 1A in practice notebook. Okay, I have given up to 5, but if you want to do more practice, then you can take next questions also. That's all for today. Kindly like our videos and subscribe our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.